Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the device and starting the download. First, make sure battery is at least 50% or plug-in. This prevents interruptions. Next, confirm your iPhone model supports iOS 17 in settings. This avoids wasted downloads. Once you confirm compatibility, back up to iCloud or to a computer. Make sure your latest data is safe. Then go to Settings, tap General, and tap Software Update to start the download. Watch the progress and stay connected to Wi-Fi. You're now in the middle of the process. Here's how to handle the heavy lifting. Use a stable Wi-Fi network because updates often measure in multiple gigabytes and cellular can be slow or blocked. Tap Download, then Install. The phone will verify and unpack files. This can take several minutes. Make sure the device stays connected to power and remains unlocked when prompted so the installation phases can proceed. If prompted, enter your passcode. That authorizes the install and avoids delays. Finish by following on-screen setup prompts and signing into your Apple ID so iCloud, Messages, and FaceTime resume. Once the device restarts, go to Settings General about to confirm iOS 17 is installed and check free storage. If the update appears stuck or the device won't boot, try a force restart. If that fails, connect to a computer and use recovery mode to reinstall iOS. That usually resolves installation failures. Keep backups handy so you can restore if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.